Hi guys, today I'll be sharing with you guys about the different accessories we have for Aerox. Before I start, help me like and share this live, yeah? Okay, let's go. For the first one, we have the Aerox key cover. It comes with two different colors. Let me take out and show you. It's $5 each. I have the one, in black color. And then another one with red. These are both silicone material. This is the red color one. These are both silicone material at $5 each. You can just slot in from the bottom over here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let me put it back. Let's move on. We also sell screen protectors for Aerox. We have the one in rainbow color. Will be $20 each, and then another one will be a clear one. I doubt can see, but let me take it out and show you. For the clear one, it comes with some tools. Okay, let me show you. Yeah. Okay, will be this the transparent one, and then it comes with a bottle. They can put some water in when you want to stick the screen protector. It comes with this to scrape out the bubbles, and also it comes with a wet tissue, so you can just clean it before you stick it. Yeah. Okay, for this will be $10 each set, and for this the rainbow one is $20. If you have any question regarding the installation fee, you can let us. You can post a comment below, or you can DM us. Then our salesperson will reply you there straight. Yep. Got fire alarm. Oh my god. Okay, let's move on. We have suspension lock. Can't really see. I'll take out for you. It'll be for front and rear. Yeah, let me take out and show you. For this, we only have black color currently. Yeah. Let me show you. Look like this. Can see? Yeah. For this will be $20. If you want to know the installation fee, you can just comment down below, or you can DM us. My salesperson will reply you at the back end. Okay? Remember to help me like and share. Okay. Let me put it back, yeah? Next, let's see what we have. Next, we have this main stand Bigfoot. It's just a Bigfoot for a bigger space for you to put your main stand. Will be $25. For this, currently we only left with the black color one. More colors will be coming in. We will update once on Instagram once it arrives. So you can see they have a gold and red also. Okay. We also have for the side stand one. Will be this one. Also $25 each. For this, we have it in red and gold color. Look like this. It's CNC material. Yeah. It's quite easy to install. You just have to remove these 3 screws, and then you just fit it and then put it back, and then you just tighten it. Yeah. For the main stand also same. It's also just 2 screws. You can just open it up and then put it on. Then you just screw it back and tighten it. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, for this is the mirror blanking screw. So let's say you have changed your mirror, right, to the bar end mirror, and then there is screw hole left. You can get this. Will be $10 each to cover the screw hole. Yeah. Once you install this, you cannot use this screw to install other like phone holders and other things like hooks, because it's not long enough. It's only meant to cover the screw holes only. You also made by CNC material. For this, I have in gold color, black color, and also red color. Will be $10 each pair. Yeah. For this, if you're not sure how to install, you can let us know. We can help you do it for free. Yeah, you just tighten it up only. You can approach any of our salesperson. Yeah, then we can help you to install. Okay, next item we have is our carbon windshield over here. For this, it's the same as your original one, just that it's in carbon. So we will be using back the same screw. It will look like this. and then the back will look like this. We'll be using back your own original screw fairings over here. So yeah, if you wish to know the labor fee, you can just post a comment below, or you can just DM us. Yeah, then we will reply you from there. Okay, let's move on. Next, we also have hooks for Aerox over here. For this, let me take it out for you. For this, it comes with 3 colors: red color, gold color, and also black color. Yeah, it will be mount in the middle of the bike. So we also do provide installation for this. You can approach us and approach any of my mechanic, and yeah, if you wish to know the labor fee, you can just comment down below. Yeah, we will reply you from there. If you have any other question, you can also post your question here. Yeah, my sales will get back to you from there in a while. Let's move on. Sorry, for the hook, right, will be $15 each. Okay, let's move on. We also do sell aftermarket pillion footrest. For this, currently we only have in black color. It will look like this. It also in this set it also comes with the screw and also the spring. So these are the 2 screws over here, and then yeah, and also 2 springs. I mean, yeah, 2 springs, and then yeah, it will look like this. Yeah. We do provide installation for this also, so you can just if you wish to know how much is the labor fee, you can just DM us now. We will reply you straight away. Yeah, for this will be $45 each set, so left and right. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Next item we have our air filter cover. Will be in smoke. Let me take it out and show you. For this, it also comes in clear one, if you wish to get. So this will be the smoke one. Yeah. Okay, for this also you will be using back your original screw set, so you don't have to get any extra screw for this. Yeah, it will look like this. For this will be $35 each. So you can let us know if you wish to install. You can let us know. We can approach of any of our mechanic, yeah, for the installation. Okay, let's move on. Next, we have this Aerox hook over here. It comes with 2 colors. I still got one more color, is gold color. For this, we have mentioned before in our other previous live. Okay, let me show you. For this set, it also comes with different type of screw, the 10mm one and the 8mm one. Okay, and then it will be mount from mirror to mirror. It's also made of CNC material. Let me show you, yeah. For this is the bracket to attach the mirror and the hook together. Okay, for this once you install, you can install phone holders or GoPro set or IU set for this. Yeah, I forget to show you guys. Okay, will be this, and also it comes with this hook, so you can just screw it over here, and then you can just hook your coffee, or just if you go market and dabao food, you can just hook it. So more extra space for you. For this, we also provide labor. So if you wish to know the labor price, you can DM us now. We will reply you straight away from there. Yeah, let me put it aside. Okay, for this will be $30 one set. It comes with gold, red, and yeah, and black. Okay, let's move on. Okay, for this, we have recently just brought in the TZM project radiator guard. Okay, it comes with 2 designs and also comes with 2 colors. It will be $40 each. Okay, let me take it out and show you. For this, it comes with a screw, so you don't have to get any extra screw for it. Yeah, the screw is over here and the bushing. For this, if you want to install, only can be installed on the original radiator. If you have modified or changed to other kind of radiator is unable to fit. So this one will be the stainless steel silver color. They come with the oval shaped one. The another one is black color, and it's a bigger lining over here. Both we have both design we also have in different color. These two color. Yep. We also do provide installation. You can let us know. We can quote you the price. Yep. So if you wish to see any picture before you install, you can just DM us. We will send you pictures. Same for the rest of the item. If you wish to see how is it installed, or like after install it look like how, you can let us know. We will send you a picture. Yeah, we'll let you see whether you like it or not before you install. Remember to help me like and share, yeah? Okay, next we have is our exhaust slider. For the exhaust slider, is also come with black, red. Okay, for this will be the slider. For this is also come with the screw is provided already, so you don't have to get any other screw, extra screw, and also the bushing. This will be the bracket that will attach two of these together to put it at your exhaust. For this, we also do provide installations. So if you wish to know the price, you can let us know, or you wish to see the photo of it, like how does it look like after it installed, you can just DM us. We will reply you from there. We will show you more pictures before you install. Yeah. For this whole set will be $60. It will be in this whole set box that will be $60. Yep. Let's move on. We also have the different type of radiator cover. It will be the bigger one, and it's come with in carbon. So for this will be $30. Let me show you. Yeah. Okay, for this is in carbon. Will be much bigger than the another one. If you like carbon material stuff, you can just get this instead of that. Yep, it's the same thing. Okay, for the back will be the plain black one. Okay, let's move on. We also have engine cover. For this, currently we only have gold color. We do have other color like blue, black, and red. If you wish to get, you can let us know. We'll make a pre-order for you. It will take about 2 to 3 weeks. For pre-orders, we require a 50% deposit before we proceed with the order. For this is also made of CNC material. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, then the back will look like this. For this we also do provide installation. If you wish to know the labor fee, you can just DM us or comment down below. Yeah, we also reply from there. We also have pictures like those that is already installed. If you wish to see how does it look like, you can let us know. Yeah, we will send you the pictures of it. Let's move on to much bigger item. Wait, let me take. We also do have frame slider over, not frame slider, floorboard over here with sliders. Okay, let me open up and show you. Okay, for this set will be $75. It comes with a screw and also slider, so you don't have to get any screw. Yeah. Okay, for this will be the sliders for the side. It comes with two. This one. Look like this. For this, currently I only left the red color one. We do have a gold color, titanium, and also black. If you wish to order the color, you can let us know. Same, we require a 50% deposit. It will take about two weeks to come. Let me take it out and show you. Yeah. Okay, it will look like this. It's also the CNC material. Yeah. And it's only one, yeah, it's only one piece and another side. This is the one more side. Okay. Yeah, for the screw will be is provided, so you don't have to get any other extra screw. We also do provide installation for these. So if you wish to know the labor fee, you can DM us. And also if you wish to see the pictures of it, like after install is look like how, you can let us know. We will send you the picture, yeah, before you decide to install or not. Okay, let's move on to the last one. Will be the rack. Okay, the rack will look like this. Okay, it's a short rack, but it's able to hold aluminium boxes. For max is about 48 liters one, so it's not recommended for 58 liters. Yep. For this is the heavy duty one, so look like this. Okay, we also have photos of it, like the after install one. You can DM us if you wish to see how does it look like with and without box. We can send you the picture, and we do provide label also. So you can let us know, like if you wish to install, we can quote you the price. Yeah. So okay. For this will be $100 each. Yep. This okay. Quite heavy. Let me put it down. Okay. If you wish to see more Aerox accessories, you can let us know what kind of accessories you are looking for. Then we will look into it and also will bring in to sell. So yeah. Let me repeat the price again. Can pass me? Yeah. Sorry, yeah, wait. Okay, in case you miss it, I will repeat the item price again. Okay, first is our air filter cover. Will be $30 each. We have the clear one and also the smoke one. Okay, move on. We have the radiator cover. The carbon one will be $30 each. Yeah, and then we have the carbon fiber windshield at $30 each also. All these accessories we do provide installation, but there's a labor fee charge. So let us know what item you want to install, then we will quote you from there. Or you wish to see the how does it look like after you install, you can let us know. We also can send you the picture. For this is our frame sliders, will be $60 each. We also it also come with red color and gold color. If you wish to order, you can let us know. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. Yeah, hold on. We also got the mirror blanking screw. It comes with 3 different colors. The black, red, and gold will be $10 each. Yeah. And then we also got the TZM radiator guard. Will be $40 each. It comes with silver color. Yep. And also the black color. Let me take out and show you, yeah. This one will be the black color one. Okay. Next, I also have mentioned earlier on, we have the Aerox handlebar clamp. So if you wish to have more space for you to mount different things like your phone holders, your GPS, your IU, or you want to hook coffee or your Taobao food, you can just get this. Is $30 each. Okay. We come with these 2 color and also gold color. Yeah. Let's move on. Earlier on, I also did mention the screen protector. Okay. I have the clear one, the transparent one, and also the rainbow one. So yeah, for this, the clear one will be $10. The rainbow one will be $20. Yeah. For all this, we do provide installation. So if you wish to know the labor fee, you can let us know. We will reply you from there. Yeah. Okay, we also have the engine guard over here. This one will be $45 each. If you wish to get any other color, we do provide pre-orders. Will take about 3 weeks, and then we require a 50% deposit to proceed with the orders. So you can just DM us. Okay. Earlier on, I also did mention we have the suspension lock. For this, we only have the black color one, so I can take it out and show you. Will be $20. It will look like this. The Aerox suspension lock. Yep. Remember to help me like and share. Yeah. Okay, then I also did mention that we have Bigfoot. This one is for the side stand one. It comes with black, gold and red, will be $25 each. For this will be for the main stand, currently only left with black color now, will be $25 each also. Okay, next will be this, the Aerox hook, will be $15 each. We come with red, gold and also black. Okay, if you wish to see more pictures, you can DM us. Yeah, we will send you a picture of it. For another thing is we have the Pillion footrest, will be $45 each, the aftermarket one. For this is also only have black color. Yeah. Last but not least, oh no, still got 3 more. Okay, the last one, the third one, the last 3 items will be this, the silicone cover. It comes with red and black, look like this, the silicone material. Then you can just slot in from the bottom. This one will be $5 each. These 2 color. These 2 color. No, what am I doing? These 2 color. Aerox. Okay. Then also the Aerox floorboard. It also come with gold, titanium and also black, together with the slider over here. Next, last one. We have the Aerox rack, the heavy duty one. Will be $100 each with the bracket. It's the short rack, not the long one, yeah. Okay, for all this we do provide installation. So if you wish to know the labor fee, you can just DM us. If you wish to see more pictures, also you can DM us. We will reply you from there. If you have any more questions about all these accessories, you can let us know. We will also reply you and get back to you lah. So I will see you next week. Remember to help me like and share. Okay, bye bye.